Can you acquire assets that bring enough passive income to cover your expenses for the rest of your life? That way, you wouldn't have to work to earn money. And because you will not have to spend time working, you have all the time in the world to pursue your goals and live your life the way you always wanted to. That's called financial independence, a stage where you don't have to worry about money. But is it practical? Can you really strike a balance between savings, investments, and liquid cash to spend the rest of your life without actively working? The simple answer is yes, but not everyone knows how to become financially independent. But the truth is that one can achieve financial independence by following simple, easy to follow steps. Hello there, I am Manyara Kirago, and I have been a personal finance professional for over 20 years. In this video, I will give you the ultimate guide to becoming financially independent step by step. I will try to simplify things and break down each step in detail. By the end of the video, you will have a practical plan with easy steps to start your journey towards financial independence. If you need help to ensure you get the best outcome with your finances, I'm available for your support. Please check out my do-it-yourself online course, my one-on-one financial freedom coaching, and the Eternity Real Estate program from the links in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and share it with anybody you think may benefit from it. Also, ring the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. So let's get started. Step number 1, establish an income source. This step might seem like an ordinary thing, but the truth is that it's the most important. Having an income source basically gives you the initial seed and the critical raw material for our project, money. Not only does your income provide the financial means to maintain your present day lifestyle, but it also allows you breathing space to work on your long-term goals. It ensures stability by covering everyday expenses such as housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and healthcare, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable standard of living currently. But that's not just it. Income also serves as a starting point for saving and investing. By earning money, you can allocate a portion towards saving and investments, laying the groundwork for future wealth accumulation. This disciplined approach sets the stage for financial growth and security, establishing a strong financial foundation for the future. The higher the income, the faster you can get to financial independence. Step number 2, spend less than the income. The second step towards achieving financial independence is centered on spending less than what you earn. If you spend all your income, you won't have any to invest in assets that can grow and bring you more money. Therefore, you have to spend less and save. This approach, known as living within your means, allows you to save a portion of your income for further use, laying the groundwork for wealth accumulation over time. By spending less than your income, you create a surplus between what you earn and what you spend. This surplus can be allocated towards savings and investment rather than being immediately spent on expenses. How you use this surplus amount depends on your financial goals, which in this case are to achieve financial independence. You should know that the money saved from spending less than your income gradually builds up over time, forming the foundation for your investment portfolio. These savings act as a financial cushion and provide the capital necessary to acquire assets that generate passive income and appreciate in value. In some cases, you might have to deposit what you have saved in your savings account or a money market fund. And once you have saved a significant amount, you can use it to invest. By carefully investing the saved funds, you can grow your wealth over time through compounding and asset appreciation. But how can you live below your means? Well, the simple answer is to spend your money only on your needs, not on your wants. In other words, you should spend money on necessities like food, health, shelter, clothes, not on non-essential things like eating in restaurants, going on trips, buying branded clothes, and so on. In that way, you can save a surplus amount that can be used prudently. It's true that you might be tempted to spend this amount on things that you love, but you should understand that the goal you want to achieve is more important. And once that goal is achieved, you would have plenty of money to fulfill all your wants. You have to take a deliberate decision to make this sacrifice. Step number 3, invest the savings in acquiring assets that generate passive income. At this point, you would have sufficient savings in your savings account and investment portfolio in the form of small assets such as stocks, bonds, and so on. Now it's time to consolidate all of them and channel them into a major asset that can generate passive income. One such asset for achieving financial independence is rental real estate. Rental properties such as multi-unit properties or residential homes presents an excellent opportunity to generate passive income. By renting out these properties, you can receive a consistent stream of rental income each month without actively working for it. This passive income can provide financial stability and allow you to lead the lifestyle you desire without being tied to a traditional job or relying on earned income. Furthermore, rental properties have the potential to appreciate in value over time, further boosting your wealth. As property values rise, the value of your investments increases, enabling you to build equity and potentially sell the property for profit in future. But even if you don't sell, you will receive steady rental income every month. You see, investing in rental real property not only provides passive income, but it also sets the stage for financial independence. With a diversified portfolio of rental properties, you can establish multiple streams of income, reduce dependence on a single income source, and enjoy greater financial freedom. Step number 4 is to reinvest the income from assets to acquire more assets. By this time, you would be getting rental income every month. This would be in addition to the income from your job or your business, your rental income, because side by side you continue to work. Now you would be tempted to spend your income because you are certainly making way much money more than your expenses, and a surplus amount is also being generated. That's precisely when you have to control yourself. Instead of spending all the income generated from these multi-unit rental properties, consider reinvesting a big portion of it to buy additional properties by repeating the step from the start. By reinvesting the rental income, you can expand your portfolio of rental properties, ultimately strengthening your passive income stream. This approach allows you to leverage the power of compounding and speed up the growth of your investment portfolio. Continuously repeating the cycle of reinvesting rental income to acquire more assets brings you closer to financial independence with each iteration. As your portfolio expands, so does your passive income, allowing you to achieve greater financial stability and freedom. Repeating the cycle would ultimately lead you to have rental incomes many times higher than your expenses. At this point, you can choose to quit your job or give up actively working. You can use a portion of your rental income and invest the rest to build a nest egg for your retirement. That's precisely what is called financial independence. Step number 5. While you may have invested in assets that generate passive income and contribute to your financial growth, having cash readily available for emergencies is equally vital. This means having funds set aside specifically for unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Anything can happen, at any time. Therefore, maintaining an emergency fund offers peace of mind, knowing you have a financial buffer to rely on during challenging times. It allows you to address unforeseen expenses without disrupting your financial progress or making it necessary to tap into your long-term investments. But how can you create an emergency fund? Begin by allocating a portion of your monthly income to build the emergency fund. Aim to have enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, including your rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and other essential bills. Instead of depositing the money in your main savings account, keep your emergency fund money in a separate account, such as a savings account or a money market fund that provides easy access to funds when they're needed. The key is to ensure that the money is readily available in emergencies, giving you the financial flexibility to handle unexpected situations confidently. Step number 6 is to have insurance protection. As you pursue financial independence, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the various risks that can become a hurdle at any time. One effective strategy is to secure insurance policies to cover different aspects of your life and assets. Health insurance is the primary one, because medical emergencies and healthcare costs can quickly drain your savings and risk your financial well-being. However, health insurance covers medical expenses, protecting you from significant financial burdens resulting from illness or injury. Moreover, property insurance is also vital, particularly if you own multi-unit rental properties. It protects your rental properties against damage caused by unforeseen circumstances such as fire, natural disaster, or vandalism. By insuring your rental properties, you can mitigate against the financial risks associated with property damage and potential loss of rental income. Additionally, obtaining insurance for other valuables such as vehicles and personal belongings offers an extra layer of protection. Auto insurance covers theft of your vehicles, while renters or homeowners insurance safeguards your personal possessions and provides liability coverage for accidents and other eventualities. What you are doing is to create a safety net to cover unexpected situations. Instead of bearing the cost of repairing your properties and vehicles, you are shifting such a responsibility to insurance companies. Furthermore, it's wise to consider life insurance, especially if you have dependents who rely on your income. Life insurance offers financial support to your loved ones in the event of your death, helping them maintain their standard of living, and covers costs such as mortgage payments, education costs, and daily living expenses. Would you like to follow these steps to become financially independent? Do you think that one can really achieve financial independence and spend a dream life without worrying about money? In the comments section below, share your ideas and how one can invest to acquire assets that bring income. If you want to learn in more detail how you too can generate passive income through real estate investing so that you can gain financial freedom, then what you need to do is watch my free training. Click the link in the description below to get immediate access. If you loved this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for practical insights on financial freedom, personal finance, and financial literacy. Thank you for watching.